Mama wakwaba meeting ede ajwa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell on so for more news. Ebusafo Dr. Ren wa onim Dr. Ren no oka freedom fighters face the country for no na Dr. Ren eye one person na osi his excellency na Dr. Kufuor no so papa if I am not wrong I stand to be corrected. And you know, my penda that John, his excellency, and another Kufuor no so. Our test on my penda that John Dramani Mahama on your best iron to man in the Abba. Dr. Ren was a sanajin. Also, my penda that John Dramani Mahama, CCA, Urata Mills, ne legacy na. One far born to Mano, Archer Dash Botum. Say 1 hour year no. School so CC our chance na ye. We are also na ye. See my penda that John Dramani Mahama. Into my penny. That makes one year share cry. Now, sister, no, I think say face the country for na freedom fighters. Minim some more committee on the day. Sister, or any David, and you see one penda that John Dramani Mahama so. Bebre na sister and Dr. Ren abeka ho. Our chest on one penda that John Dramani Mahama. On or by no by she, one may she, into no, on one penda way and baby call. Ra at a mills, ne legacy no. On fire, Emma, and every of my Dr. Ren at the Etuya.
Saglame John Dramani Mahama, Gonjeni this year, when him says, yes, Saglame.
See, people compare us to the MPP. MPP, they don't waste their time on too many insults. So, NDC, our mouths like acid.
Yeah, brains, no, yes, Saglame, no, brains, yes, Saglame, no. Every Professor Ivan Satamel, so, Okoji Sika, Okoji loan. E.T. Mensah was what? A friend is saying, the Minister of State in charge of a friend is saying, housing. He was aware. Let us speak truth to power. John Dramani Mahama, enama all bar pro, and then call for one woman, two futregu gun of when he said, John Mahama, they see Saglambi, John Mahama, na ye Pokwasi in touching. When they know clearly said John Dramani Mahama did not build Pokwasi in touching. When they know clearly said John Mahama did not build Saglami, why is it that you people are crediting John Dramani Mahama with such project? Munim clearly said you know It's ex-president Mahama crediting himself with a project. Professor Ivan Satamels a year and see we are saying so be a dear no say yeah nya dia sebio ofa ene mo nyam no ede ye wani mo nyam wo yesa wo ye okrofo wo yesa wo ye wi tiemie wo yesa wo ye de wo ye okrofo wo yesa wo ye wi ene okọ ntintan so a lot of Ghanaians credit John Dramani Mahama with project Atamels ene ye say Mahama fa project na sebio nkenya bone but say wo fa will be project you need to give credence to the nipa wo shas here that attitude the Ghana for we so do Ghanaian character any your culture no sebio me nya sure say a chain say yenye ungrateful but in kaya baba ye too many a time say ye wo kro ni mu a obi ya ade a eyin sese bebo na ho no na manfo bi awia the project sa the story of Big Bank sa na tie Ghana ni a bank ana nkofo bi ewie free ni nsem ana omde agiama obi foforo and it is the same similar situation John Amanfo bebre no tumfu trogu Ghana fo eni dodo. We need to speak truth to power. John Dramani Mahama projects wo ye sebio yetiase. Enam se nyame ada Roma yetiase ye wi de. We speak truth to power. Na munjai de mo nam ntintan no so ana John Mahama no ye project we John Mahama dia akunya 4 years 5 months. On be kire Ghana for de wo ye on be kire ye ni ehunu se okay. John Dramani Mahama ono ba ye no oye ABCD me say e be fa mo say rapture e be kan kore na kire mo e be bie mo ani e ka kire mo amonte na Dr. Ren akoka say John Mahama ton a friend is saying Tema port to since I contract the full 35 years contract e the ma brofo 70% now the nkofo we mo maame shege mfanche we want to set the record straight said here me new oketechi taika yen set the record straight yen kan kire Ghana for the same mu bebre ma no mo follow that nkofo bi o mo nam krom and also sorry John Mahama a year saglambe sagbusia ye man kofo bi tutum futuro engu ye ni biem we mmahunu mo John Mahama no adwuma wo ye and I me catch was say eba a friend is saying project Atamils ya ebi ni ye one currency stabilization. Number 2, 2010 microeconomic performance or modern Emma or provisional figures no indicate that as of September 2010 no the economy expanded by 5.9% against GDP target of 6.5%. We know some a single spine. Me can't nema your friend say John Dramani Mahama Eddie born in home Samrane so na ye nenso enya no na ye uko suku uko wia obi nsɔhwɛ uko wia a friend so obi a friend say obi exams obi a friend passing mark now upepa ne din now udin hye hwa eye krono. And I see NDC people are dodo one pa disua na dodo one pa kenkan na dodo one person beka no kore no trying to credit John Dramani Mahama with this project. Enfantefo mon sorry. Anytime beyond Osha Abakwasemu a the fantasy, no people come and then they take you people for granted. One more the money much from Titu, Sa, Indian free stream, no, and you mean idea, but don't one wa. Yeah, no mean idea, then don't one wa. Yanko revenue agencies integration. The revenue agencies have been integrated, which translates into greater efficiency in revenue collection. Today we have Ghana Revenue Authority, which brings together the operations of VAT, SEPS, and IRS. What is here? Make us say. John Dramani Mahama, the contractor was signed our MPS deal. I was signed our tongue 30 yes Tema port no. What your friend is saying, what tongue a big edema a friend is a mess line MPS 35 good years. We years he cap for 4 no we no sama sa company no one the sign contract 35 years no. We no sa sign tax waiver. TMA we no here sign tax waiver. TBA pa. Domestic finances is on track. We have not borrowed more than is constitutionally required from the central bank. The constitutional requirement was what flouted in the past. In the past, no, not amount for Bob was more than what the constitution told us. Sometimes say be na Kufuado buy Atamils sorry John Ejikum Kufuor any Rollins no those days no na omobobo bosia rough anyhow Professor Evans Atamils buy no obe change the narrative. I just want people to credit Professor Evans Atamils. Why is it so hard for John Mahama to give credit to Atamils? Why is it so? Adena John Mahama is finding it so difficult. Say or the credit be man the boss so no a emra meeting. Jerry John Rollins appointed Atamils say I don't want you to make a friend saying John Mahama your vice president, and that if John Mahama is going to be your vice president, I'm not going to have a good relationship with you. TMA, I'm not going to have a good relationship with you. Atamils vouched for John Mahama, stood for John Mahama, defended John Mahama, supported John Mahama, appointed John Mahama as his vice president. And John Mahama is not doing the same. Why is it said John Mahama is not doing the same for Atamils? It's because John Mahama has been ungrateful to the name Atamils, to the legacy of Atamils. John Mahama are wiping it out so that the legacy of Atamils become his legacy. Yemubino, we will speak truth to Ghanaians because our ungrateful attitude, Ghana and in Timebro Maba for that attitude, they are very ungrateful.